Hungry yet? Stick around and I'll show you how easy it is to make this delicious deli sandwich at home. Well, hi folks, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Mandolin on this FullStar vegetable chopper and slicer. That's the Mandolin here. I'm going to show you how to slice some brisket that I cooked to make a delicious brisket sandwich. Check it out. FullStar offers several versions of their vegetable chopper slicer, but today I'm using the all-in-one model you see here. This FullStar chopper is amazing for cutting up bell peppers and potatoes for home fries, saving me a ton of prep time in the kitchen. Now let's take a closer look at the Mandolin attachment. It's adjustable so you can easily control the thickness of your slices. For my brisket sandwich, I like my onions sliced nice and thin, while the tomatoes are a bit thicker. One important tip: the reason that the Mandolin works so well is that it is very sharp. Always wear the safety glove that the manufacturer includes in the box. Now let's talk brisket. I slow cooked this brisket in the oven for several hours. Before cooking though, I trimmed off most of the fat, leaving just enough to keep the meat juicy and flavorful. Once it's cooked and ready to slice for sandwiches, then I trim off any remaining fat. Slicing hot brisket can be tricky, so I refrigerate it for a while until it's completely chilled. This makes it much easier to get clean, thin slices. And as you can see, the Mandolin does a fantastic job slicing the brisket perfectly for sandwiches. Now here's everything you need to create a mouth-watering brisket sandwich. And that's it. With this setup, you can enjoy a deli-style sandwich at home anytime you want. I absolutely love my FullStar chopper slicer, and I can't recommend it enough. Thanks for watching.